fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. The people downstairs wanna keep banging and thumping. Watch this. Wanna do all that noise? Upstairs.
She wore her boots.
The door that wants to make all the noise. Y'all hear it?
Nah, she about to kick his door. Nah, chill. Nah, she's looking for trouble, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you.
I told y'all to be quiet. I hope you learned. I said stop. Did you learn? I said shut the fuck up, bitch.
That's a crazy neighbor, bro. What would you do if your neighbor did that to you?